Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install FitGirl games properly on PC. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and then minimize this page and double click on the setup and select more info and select run anyway option and now select yes. Select the language and select OK. Select this music to turn off the music. If you have under 8 GB RAM, then you just need to check mark this box, guys. And then select next option and select next. Select the location where you want to save this game and then select next. Just need to uncheck other languages, guys, except English or your language. Check mark it, other things uncheck it, and then optional things. This is also languages. Optional, I'm gonna uncheck it. If you want some of these language, then you can check mark it, guys, and then select the install option. After the game installation done, you just need to open up a Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder, guys. I saved in C drive games, and here is the folder. Select it and select folder option. And now the game has been added to this list, as you can see over here. And then just go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just close stuff here. Uncheck this option, guys. So open this site and redirect to this site and then select the finish option. And as you can see, all files are okay and there is no missing or bad files found. Just close stuff here. Install DirectX and Visual C++. If you already has Visual C++, then you will get this setup failed, guys. No problem. Select close option. Select allow. And now select continue. And the game launch without having any problem, guys, as you can see. And you will never face game related problem, guys, by doing these steps. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.